Hello, and welcome to Fluento English. Do you want to speak English confidently, naturally, and without fear? Then this video is for you. Today, we'll talk about people's likes and dislikes, and more importantly, we'll use them to practice real English conversation. If improving your English speaking is your goal, don't skip this video. Stay with me till the end, and let's begin. Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities,
where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Today, let's talk about the likes and dislikes of American people.
That sounds interesting. I'm ready.
What kind of food do many Americans like the most?
Many Americans really like burgers, pizza, and fast food.
Do Americans enjoy coffee?
Yes, coffee is very popular, especially in the morning.
How do Americans feel about home cooking?
Many people like cooking at home, but they also enjoy takeout.
Do Americans enjoy eating at restaurants?
Yes, especially casual restaurants and brunch places.
What drinks are commonly liked besides coffee?
Soft drinks and iced tea are also very popular.
What kind of music do Americans like?
They enjoy many styles like pop, hip-hop, country, and rock.
Do Americans enjoy watching movies?
Yes, watching movies and streaming TV shows is very common.
How popular are sports in the United States?
Sports are extremely popular, especially football and basketball.
Do Americans like spending time outdoors?
Yes, many enjoy walking, hiking, and outdoor activities.
How do Americans feel about pets?
Most Americans love pets, especially dogs and cats.
Do Americans enjoy traveling?
Yes, they like traveling, especially road trips and national parks.
What do Americans think about family time?
Family time is very important to many American people.
Do Americans like using technology?
Yes, they like smartphones, apps, and online services.
How do Americans feel about convenience?
They really like things that save time and effort.
Do Americans enjoy shopping?
Yes, both online shopping and visiting stores are popular.
Now, let's talk about dislikes. What is a common dislike?
Many Americans dislike high prices and inflation.
How do Americans feel about housing costs?
Many people are unhappy with high rent and home prices.
Do Americans like long commutes?
No, long drives and traffic are strongly disliked.
What about customer service?
Bad customer service is something many people complain about.
How do Americans feel about healthcare costs?
Healthcare costs cause a lot of stress and frustration.
Do Americans like political conflict?
No, many dislike extreme political arguments and division.
How do Americans feel about crime and safety concerns?
Crime and safety concerns worry many communities.
What do Americans think about online scams?
They dislike scams and misinformation on the internet.
Are airline delays popular with travelers?
No, flight delays and cancellations are very frustrating.
How do Americans feel about workplace stress?
Many dislike low pay and poor work conditions.
Do Americans enjoy social media all the time?
Not always. Many feel tired of too much social media.
What about privacy and data tracking?
People dislike companies collecting too much personal data.
Do Americans like rising food prices?
No, higher grocery prices are a big complaint.
How do Americans feel about government services?
Many dislike slow processes and too much paperwork.
Do Americans worry about the environment?
Yes, pollution and climate issues concern many people.
What about loneliness and social isolation?
Many people feel less connected than before.
Now, let's review. What is one thing Americans really like?
They really like convenience and comfort.
And one thing they really dislike?
They strongly dislike high costs and stress.
Excellent. This was a great conversation.
Yes, it helped me learn useful English.
Keep practicing by answering these questions yourself.
I will practice and speak out loud.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Let's do shadowing. And now it's your turn.
where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started. That sounds interesting. I'm ready. Many Americans really like burgers, pizza, and fast food. Yes, coffee is very popular, especially in the morning. Many people like cooking at home, but they also enjoy takeout. Yes, especially casual restaurants and brunch places. Soft drinks and iced tea are also very popular. They enjoy many styles like pop, hip-hop, country, and rock. Yes, watching movies and streaming TV shows is very common. Sports are extremely popular, especially football and basketball. Yes, many enjoy walking, hiking, and outdoor activities. Most Americans love pets, especially dogs and cats. Yes, they like traveling, especially road trips and national parks. Family time is very important to many American people. Yes, they like smartphones, apps, and online services. They really like things that save time and effort. Yes, both online shopping and visiting stores are popular. Many Americans dislike high prices and inflation. Many people are unhappy with high rent and home prices. No, long drives and traffic are strongly disliked. Bad customer service is something many people complain about. Healthcare costs cause a lot of stress and frustration. No, many dislike extreme political arguments and division. Crime and safety concerns worry many communities. They dislike scams and misinformation on the internet. No, flight delays and cancellations are very frustrating. Many dislike low pay and poor work conditions. Not always. Many feel tired of too much social media. People dislike companies collecting too much personal data. No, higher grocery prices are a big complaint. Many dislike slow processes and too much paperwork. Yes, pollution and climate issues concern many people. Many people feel less connected than before. They really like convenience and comfort. They strongly dislike high costs and stress. Yes, it helped me learn useful English. I will practice and speak out loud. Goodbye. See you next time.
Let's do shadowing. And now it's your turn.
Today, let's talk about the likes and dislikes of American people. What kind of food do many Americans like the most? Do Americans enjoy coffee? How do Americans feel about home cooking? Do Americans enjoy eating at restaurants? What drinks are commonly liked besides coffee? What kind of music do Americans like? Do Americans enjoy watching movies? How popular are sports in the United States? Do Americans like spending time outdoors? How do Americans feel about pets? Do Americans enjoy traveling? What do Americans think about family time? Do Americans like using technology? How do Americans feel about convenience? Do Americans enjoy shopping? Now, let's talk about dislikes. What is a common dislike? How do Americans feel about housing costs? Do Americans like long commutes? What about customer service? How do Americans feel about healthcare costs? Do Americans like political conflict? How do Americans feel about crime and safety concerns? What do Americans think about online scams? Are airline delays popular with travelers? How do Americans feel about workplace stress? Do Americans enjoy social media all the time? What about privacy and data tracking? Do Americans like rising food prices? How do Americans feel about government services? Do Americans worry about the environment? What about loneliness and social isolation? Now, let's review. What is one thing Americans really like? And one thing they really dislike? Excellent. This was a great conversation. Keep practicing by answering these questions yourself. See you in the next episode.
Well done, viewers!